All right, guys. So my husband was running around a little manic this morning. We have been, is that what you're going to do the whole video? You're just going to do that?
I want to make sure I look good.
So we've been trying.
For the video.
Oh, I forgot how you were when we filmed. Like, I just remembered right now. We have been actively looking at all our bills, trying to figure out ways that we could save money. And stop. Stop.
What? We're cutting.
Stop.
Cutting costs. We have massive.
We're cutting costs.
We have massive bills every month.
We do. It's ridiculous.
Give me strokes.
So we did a bunch of things this month, and Bill actually just did 2 things right now, and I was like, let's just film this. Like, you're on a roll. Like, you are on a roll. Let's film what you've been doing. So talk to them.
Well, actually, I did a couple of things. So we have a bunch of things that we have every month, right? So the first thing we did was we switched from Verizon Wireless to T-Mobile. For the first time in about 20 years, we don't have Verizon Wireless.
Literally.
And we saved a ton of money. We're getting all these extra benefits. We're getting T-Mobile Tuesdays. We're getting go-go Wi-Fi on the plane. So we cut $50 a month out of that. We had 3 iPhone Plus 7 Pluses that they paid off $1,000 for that we don't have to pay for. We have unlimited this, unlimited that, hotspots, everything. And we added Liam, and we're saving like $180 a month.
I'm like this with data.
Including the go-go. So about 100, it's like 130 plus 50, something like that. Mm-hmm. So that's insane.
Insane.
But then the funny thing is now we're moving from Optimum Cable to Verizon Fios. So that we're not saving quite as much. We're saving about $30-something a month.
I'll take it.
But we're going from 100 up and down internet to almost a terabyte. 944 up and 850 down, which is like absurd.
And we need that.
No one needs that.
I need that.
We can run 100 devices.
I have 100
simultaneously.
devices. I have 100 devices. Okay. I need that.
So it's absurd. But they threw it in for free. So whatever, that's fine.
Yes.
So we're doing that.
Newspaper.
Got rid of it.
Out the window.
$20 a month.
Next.
Switched a plan in Sirius XM radio. And they gave us all this stuff free, and we're saving about $20 a month with that.
Wait, but tell them why? Because we got rid of the navigation. Because
no. That's Sirius. I did Sirius XM radio too.
Oh, okay. Because we really only use like 3 channels. It doesn't matter.
No, but they just gave us a deal because we've been with them for 5 years, and they were like, "Oh, we have a better price," and they gave us a better price. So we save like $20 a month on that now.
Did you say Go-Go Squeeze was $50 a month?
Go-Go Squeeze?
I mean Go-Go.
That's a lot of applesauce.
Go-Go Air.
Although it's very delicious applesauce.
Because with T-Mobile you get Go-Go
Air. My
Air.
favorite is apple banana. And then number 2 is apple strawberry.
Very good. Go-Go Air I pay because I travel a lot.
Go-Go in-flight.
Go-Go in-flight.
Yeah. $50 a month.
And now we don't have to pay that anymore.
I mentioned that already.
Did you say $50?
I did.
Oh, I'm sorry. I
said it.
Glazed.
$180 a month.
I glazed.
$130 plus 50.
See, when you talk like that, I can't process it. It's like a lot of math.
Anyway, back to mathematics. So then the final thing today was, and I'm still on a roll. I got to figure out what else we're going to be doing. We're going to be cutting the electric somehow. But I'm looking into solar, by the way. It's a Tesla solar panel.
Solar panel.
Which is very reasonable. So anyway, so the final thing I did today was we have OnStar, which is the thing with GM cars, which is awesome.
Love it.
It's really cool. Like, if you lose your keys, they unlock the car for you. Yep. If it gets stolen, they track it down. All this stuff. But we had, because we bought this in 2012, so we bought navigation, which was actually pretty cool because it was like, you press a button and you're like, hey, send me directions to so-and-so. But, I mean, now we have
Waze.
Waze
with unlimited data.
And now we have unlimited data. So there's really no reason to have it. Right. So this was the kicker. Somehow we were paying $40 a month on a monthly basis. I don't know how we did that. Because even at worst, if you pay a year in advance, you get 2 free months. So anyway, that was a stupid thing that we did. So I called up and I said, I don't want the navigation. I just want everything else. They call it security and something else package.
I just want to say one thing. If you don't have OnStar and you have a GM car, you really should consider getting it for the safety features.
Right.
Because if you get into a car accident and you crash and you go unconscious and your babies are in the car with you, somebody will call them and say, are you guys okay? And then your children could say, no, my mommy is not, she's not talking to me. And they'll find you.
It's well worth it.
It is worth every dollar. I hope to never use it. But I will pay till the end of time to have that security in my car.
Yes. It's really good.
Sorry.
And like I said, if you lock your keys in the car, you literally call them up and they ask for your password on it, and then they'll unlock your car for you. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So she said, "Oh, well, the price is $25 a month." I said, "All right, $15 a month. That's great. And then if you pay a year in advance, you get 2 months free. So it's $250 for the year instead of $300." So I'm like, "Oh, this is great." She goes, "You know what?" And they did this on their own. I didn't even ask for this because I was like, "Oh, that's pretty cool." They said, "You know what? Let's see if we get a loyalty price in there." And she transferred me, and 5 minutes later, the woman comes on the phone. And this, mind you, that was 25 plus tax. And in New York, we get screwed with taxes left and right. So it was going to be like another $50 a year in tax. And she goes, "Yeah, we can give this package to you for $162 a year, including tax."
Just by calling.
Including tax. So we went from $480 plus tax, so I'd say probably $530 to $540 a year. Got rid of the navigation, which was unnecessary. And we're now paying $160 a year. We're literally saving almost $30 a month. Like $28 a month or whatever it is, just by calling up.
And if you add all of this together, it's ridiculous how much money we're saving just to do the same stuff.
We're saving hundreds of dollars a month. 180 plus 30 plus 20 plus 30. I mean, 180 plus 20 plus 30. It's like, that's like $250 alone right there. $270 with the Sirius, something like that. And like for not even trying, like for not even missing anything. Like so what we don't have navigation, which we barely use anyway. Use it like once every 2 months.
Right.
So we're saving $3,000 a year by doing stupid little things like that. I mean,
just by making a couple of phone calls.
And there's so many of them. The easiest way to do it is just literally look at your credit card bill every month and be like, "What is this? Do we need this? This is stupid." Or why is this so high?
Oh, did you say Netflix is free?
Oh, Netflix is free.
So that's $14 a month.
Well, no, they give you the $10 a month plan, the 2 screen or something.
Okay.
Netflix is free with T-Mobile, and it's actually free with Verizon Fios with this deal we got too. Obviously, we don't need it necessarily, but either way, we would be getting free Netflix.
It's like it really
so that's
adds
another
up.
$10 a month.
Everything adds up. So our long story to you is check your bills. Make some phone calls. It's worth the 10 minutes on the phone because in the long haul, you're going to be saving thousands of dollars a year just for a couple of minutes of work a day. I mean, you don't have to do this all in one day. We're not telling you to sit down and do 6 hours of work to get this through, but maybe one day do your cable, one day do your phone, one day do your cell phone, one day do your, I don't know what. But really go through everything and see what you can fix. And
don't be scared to make a change.
Yeah.
So people get very content. They like their TV guide with their cat or whatever. You know what I mean? And all right, that's fine and all, but is it worth $3,000 a year?
Right.
Probably
no,
not.
It's not. So anyway, so that's it. We got to run. We have our, it's Valentine's Day. I guess I'll post this right now just to keep it timely. But until next time.
What a great Valentine's Day gift.
I know. This is a good
gift of savings.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Yes.
You're welcome. Until next time, I guess I'm going to try to get Bill to do a few more videos every now and then, see if he does it. Let's see. Until next time, don't do that. Don't do the 2 and 2. You guys don't remember. It's been a long time since he's been on these, but that was his...
I was big fatty the last time I did these videos, I'd say. Oh, I'm a little less fatty now.
He's so excited. You also need a haircut. I'm looking at the hair.
I know. Hopefully today that'll happen.
Good. All the boys. All right, guys. Until next time.